يا هلا وسهلا فيكم في حلقة جديدة من بودكاست سوالف جدية في الجلدية. اليوم قاعدين نغطي مؤتمر القاهرة الدولي للتجميل، وفيه القامات العلمية والخبرات المتبادلة والكثير من المختصين في حقن التعبئة وحقن المواد المالئة. وزي ما تعرفوا الحملة اللي صايرة على الفيلر أو المواد التعبئة، فأنا اليوم جبت لكم خبير والمسؤول عن الفيلر عشان يحكي لنا قصة الفيلر وليش الفيلر صار عليه سمعة سيئة. It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Pablo دنتالو MENA Director for Nubia. هو الدايركتور حق مادة الفيلر في الشرق الأوسط وأفريقيا. So as an expert, I want your insights about this.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be with you. Thanks for having me here. Yes, you are touching a very delicate subject in the aesthetic market because the trends are showing us that people want to be less injected, and people is changing a little bit the procedures and the habits on the aesthetic world. They are much more informed, the patients, of which kind of products they want to have. They are not just focusing only on injection, but they want to combine different treatments. And this is a trend not only that we are noticing on the final users, but also on the doctors. They are combining more and more treatments and procedures every day.
What is filler? And what are the differences between different types of filler?
The filler is a very simple material because basically, mainly, not going in deep to details, is made by three components. It's made by hyaluronic acid, if you are talking about a hyaluronic acid filler. Is made by a chemical substance, which is the cross-linker, and is made by the most present ingredient in the filler, which is water.
Yeah.
If a filler is containing, let's say the average in the market is between 24-26 milligrams per milliliter of hyaluronic acid, means that 2.6% of what you have in a syringe is a hyaluronic acid, and almost 97% is water. So hydrogel is mainly done by water.
As you know, there are a lot of companies of fillers and hyaluronic acid, and each company claim that they are better than the others, and they say a lot of details. What is special about Nubia filler?
So, I'm not here to judge who is better or who is not. This is not my job.
Yes.
What I want to share with you...
That's very wise, really, yeah.
What I want to do is that Neovia is different, because as of today, is the only company in the world which is using a different cross-linker.
Yeah.
So the aim of Neovia, when we started the journey with the fillers, was to introduce in the market the safest filler worldwide. And we start to investigate how to create these fillers. But as we said before, a filler is mainly made by three components. Can we change water? No. Water is water. Can we change HA? No. HA is HA. So the only ingredient, let's say, where we would have been able to play was the cross-linker. And we selected the polyethylene glycol, or PEG, because due to the studies and the science and the publication that we are finding nowadays, is considered very safe.
Yeah.
So the aim was the safety. And this polymer is bringing to the filler not only safety, but other thousands of properties that are helping us to be unique in the market.
So after, it doesn't stay after years as some people they claim of other fillers.
No, we publish a lot on these topics. The properties that the PEG is giving to the fillers, first of all, is the biointegrability of the fillers to the tissues and the total absence of residuals once the filler is going to be consumed, let's say,
Yeah.
by our bodies.
I face in my clinic some patient has a residual filler with Tyndall effect and something like this. But to be honest, when I used Nuvia Intense and LV, it was very good, and it has like you use a less amount
Exactly.
with better result.
I do agree with you. As of today, we don't have any cases of side effects reported caused by the filler, but you touch a very nice subject, which is another property which is given by the PEG to the fillers, is giving the possibility to inject less products, achieving the same correction of any other filler cross-linked with other cross-linkers.
It goes with your message. You said less is more, and we are saying this.
Less is more, but we are saying less is more since 15 years, because we believe that we don't have to overfill. We don't like, but we don't have. We don't like to overfill. We like the natural beauty.
Yes.
We like that patients are safe, and we like that you doctors sleep well during the night.
I will tell my audience in Arabic too, because this is very important message. We want our sound to be louder than the other influencers, to give the message from the expert. حتى هو اللي صاحب شركة الفيلر أو المختص بالفيلر يقول less is more، يعني القليل منه أحسن من الكثير، وهو أداة لإبراز الملامح الجميلة من غير تغيير ومن غير إفراط. أي أداة إذا استخدمتوها بشكل صحيح تعطيك أحلى نتيجة، وإذا أسيء استخدامها ممكن يصير معها مشاكل. They just label it on the filler.
Yes.
That is very sad, because filler is a very good tool and it helped a lot of people. But a single case seeking popularity or having or being a trend, or a doctor want to be a trend, he will say filler cause blindness. Then every new in the trends in the Snapchat or TikTok or social media, they will say it everywhere. So here it comes our role in explaining that these incidents are very rare, and it depends on the injector and the indication and the type of filler.
Yes, it depends on your role, but it depends also on our role as a manufacturer or a company. We believe that medical education is key for these kind of products. Filler, as you said, they are helping a lot, and they will help a lot, because the filler, in my opinion, will continue to be used for many years. What is important is to understand what we are doing, where to inject, and how to inject, in order not only to have the best possible outcome, but to put yourself and the patient in very safe position. So medical education is the only way.
It was really a pleasure having you in my podcast. I wish that the audience would benefit from this, because يعني في العربي زبدة الزبدة يا جماعة الفيلر يعني التهم overrated. يعني الأشياء اللي يقولوها كلها تعتمد على نوع الفيلر وتقنية الفيلر والطبيب اللي يحقنها ونوعه والمكان اللي يحقنه. يعني هذا كان من the source of the information. So thank you very much for this valuable
it was a pleasure.
information, and I wish to see you more and more in the future.
With great pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.